Hello everyone and welcome to another hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is going to be 2 buns at the back of your head and a Dutch braid. Start off with your hair in a middle part and pick up a section of hair close to the top of your head, and you're going to split this into 3. This is going to be your Dutch braid. So you want to braid the strands over each other. Taking a section of hair from near your hairline, you're going to take this strand over to the middle strand. Then cross the left side over. Take a section of hair from near your hairline, add it to the middle section, and then take the right section over. If right and left sections are confusing you, just take the piece of hair over that's next to the hair that you took from the hairline. Taking the strands over each other is what will create the Dutch braid effect. And you're going to keep on doing that until you get to where you'd like your first bun to be placed. Tie it off so you've got a little ponytail. To make my hair extra smooth, I sprayed some hairspray onto the brush. This helps with static. And frizz. So take the section of hair you've just created and the section of hair from the braid and twist this all round into a bun. And then just pin it in place until it feels secure to you. Then with the hair you've got left, we're just going to twist this round. And make this into a bun underneath the other bun you've created. And that's it, a Dutch braid and 2 buns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy recreating this look.